How to create a resume in Google Doc. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you can also directly start making your resume from this blank page, or the easier way would be go to file, then new, go to from template gallery, and then select resume. From here you just have to edit in this format or in this template, put your own name, address, and all the other details, and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.